Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Braeton Parkway construction. Now, the government is spending $2.4 billion to upgrade the road, the Braeton Parkway, formerly known as the Braeton to Naga Head Road. And this is part of the Capex program. The Capex program is a massive program or massive project to develop 6 roads, 3 in Kingston, 3 in Portmore. And this is one of the 3 in Portmore. So the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. And we are going to give you an update as to what's happening here. The Braeton Parkway, formerly known as the Braeton to Naga Head Road, upgrade is a major road infrastructure project being undertaken in Portmore to address long-standing traffic congestion and safety concerns. The project is a direct response to Portmore's rapid population growth and expanding commercial activity, which has placed increasing pressure on an aging road network. Importantly, the Braeton Parkway project forms part of the Government of Jamaica's Capital Expenditure Capex program, a national initiative focused on upgrading critical infrastructure across the island. Under this program, strategic roads that serve high-traffic urban corridors are prioritized to support economic productivity, improve commuting efficiency, and enhance public safety. The inclusion of the Braeton Parkway in Capex highlights its national importance, not just as a local road improvement, but as a key link in the wider transport network serving the Kingston metropolitan region. The scope of the work includes the dualization of approximately 3 kilometers of roadway into a 4-lane carriageway, complete with a raised median, modern drainage systems, pedestrian sidewalks, improved lighting, and signalized intersections. Utility relocation and the installation of underground ducts for fiber optic cables are also being carried out to future-proof the corridor and reduce the need for disruptive road cuts after completion. Funded through Capex at an estimated cost of $2.4 billion, the project represents a significant public investment in Portmore's long-term development. Once completed, the Braeton Parkway is expected to reduce travel times, improve road safety, and support continued residential and commercial expansion, reinforcing Portmore's role as one of Jamaica's fastest growing urban areas. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, upgrading this road will definitely help with the flow of traffic. This is one of the main corridors you take when going from, say, the Portmore Mall to Greater Portmore and on to Hellshire. So this is definitely a game changer for Portmore.